cuties, today I'm gonna draw and paint a cute bamboo snail. Let's draw and paint together. First of all, I'm gonna draw a cute head and face of our snail and its body. Our snail has two antennas. And let's draw her cute big eyes. And lashes. Now let's draw its cute smiley mouth. And then I draw here snail shell house like this.
Amazing!
If you like my drawing, please like my video and subscribe my channel because I upload cute and colorful videos here.
Amazing!
And here I draw cute legs. And now I'm using a thick black marker to make this beautiful snail more visible. It's time to paint. Green, orange, pink, yellow, red, blue,
Amazing!
green,
for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.